So you want to add pictures to your HTML file, and to do this is very simple. You just have to search for any picture you want. For example, let's see, I'm searching for dog pictures. This dog, this picture, very nice. You can save image, or you can just copy link address, or maybe copy image address, it's better. Just come here, I'm using Atom, but you can use other text editors, and you just have to put, let's see, you have to put image, and then this, image, then the source, you want the source, then you're gonna put sorry for this, let's just open like this, a little bit easier to see. And then you just have to choose how is the width and height you want for this. So you can just put, like, let's see, brackets, or and then 8. You can just choose, like, I don't know, 3, 4, 7, and it is good. So you can just save. I have saved in my desktop, so you can come here, open with Google Chrome, for example, and then you see how you should be seeing. So if you have any questions, this was my first video on YouTube. I'm going to try to upload more videos. Any question you have about HTML, CSS, just let me know, and I can help you out when I can. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.